up, everybody? It's your boy Drama and his lovely brother, Big Cat. We've been getting asked a lot, who's better at skate? Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this out there up front. Big Cat is a better skateboarder than I am, but I am better at skate. What we're gonna do is once and for all, we're gonna solve this issue. Thank you, CCS, for giving us the opportunity to broadcast this via your airwaves. Show the world who's better at skate. And then we won't have to argue anymore. We can just go back to being brothers and liking each other, you know? Let's do it. On 3. Thank you. I'll be first. First time in my life. I tell you kids, once you get to the top, they hate you. They really do. Check this out. My board is still in one piece, and Big Cat's is in 2, because he's number 2. No! You're a sore loser. You're a salty cat. You're a bad loser, man. You gotta learn better. You gotta learn how to lose.